So the John Deere 2010 actually came out in 1960 and ran through 1965. It was originally available with 3 different engine configurations, including the petrol, LP and diesel versions. In Australia I've only actually seen the diesel version, but others may have been imported as well. They came out as a crawler or an ag tractor or industrial version, and the ag tractors, which are common out here, could be had as a tricycle like ours, but more commonly a wide front axle. The 2010 was actually a bit of a game changer for John Deere in that it was the start of the 4-cylinder models as part of the new generation line of John Deere tractors. But the major quirks of the 2010, including the cylinder deck, whereby the single plate held all the cylinder sleeves, made this engine quite unfavourable with farmers. Its difficulty in starting soon sort of damaged the reputation of the 2010, and the idea of this engine configuration was actually scrapped in later models, which is a bit of a shame because they are a nice looking little tractor and their styling definitely is much nicer than the reputation of that engine. Sadly, the 2010 won't be staying in our collection. We are selling this to another collector to help make room for some other new tractors.